Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss operations on algebraic expressions from unit 6. This is part 5 video and today we will learn addition of monomials, binomials, trinomials. In the previous exercise we have learned about these terms, the monomial, binomial, trinomial expressions and how to find out the like terms from the given expressions. So, for addition it is very much important for us to remember that only like terms are going to be added to the like terms. Like if I have 5 pens and 2 pencils, if I add or buy 2 more pens and 3 more pencils, then the total pens I do have 7 pens and total pencils I have 3 plus 2 is 5. So, 5 pencils. I am not going to add the pens to the pencils and pencils to the pens because pens will be added to pens and pencils will be added to pencils. In the similar way, we will add the like terms together. If the term is, if the literal is in x, then we will add those terms, like terms, and if it is in y, then we will add the same terms together. Okay, students, let us understand this by taking one example. If we have to add these 3x plus 5y plus 2x, how are we going to add? We will add the numeral part together, 3 plus 5 plus 2. We can add it like 3 plus 5 plus 2 and we will take a bracket for this because all these are x. So, we will write x here, not x cube because we are not multiplying, we are adding these, right, as we have done in the example of pens. So, we have 7 pens here, not we are just adding the numeral part. In the same way, we will add here only the numeral part, 3 plus 5 plus 2 x. So, how many x are there? 5 plus 2 is 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So, 10x. That means this is the answer. How many x are there? 10x are there. Let us understand this by taking another example. Suppose we have these terms are given to us. What we will do? We will first rearrange the same terms, similar terms. That is 5x, we will write it together, plus 2x, then we will take the terms of 3 plus 3y, minus 2y is there, so we will write minus 2y, then 5y plus 5y, right. So, you can do it directly also and you can separate like this also, you can separate the numeral part, 5x plus 3 minus 2 plus 5y like this. So, your answer will be 5 plus 2 is 7, 7x, and here we have to add these two first. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 minus 2 is 6. So, plus 6y here. So, the answer is 7x plus 6y. Now, let us learn how do we add binomials. There are two methods to do this. First is column method and the another one is horizontal method. Let us understand this by taking this example, 2x plus add 2x plus 3y and 5x minus 13y. Now, let us do it. First method is column method. So, here you have to arrange these two in column method. For arranging the numbers in the column method, what do you have to do? Like terms, just write the like terms along with the signs. They are arranged in columns one below the another, right. That means क्या करना है हमको कि हमको like terms को उसी के नीचे लिखना है. First write the first one, 2x plus 3y. Write it like this. Now write the like terms along with their signs. Okay, do remember, along with their signs, arrange them in one below the other. 5x is going to come here, यहाँ पर लिखेंगे, and minus 13y along with its sign. So consider the sign also, minus 13y, y will be written under this. Okay, now add them. So there is no need that you start adding it from here, you can add it from this side also. 5 plus 2 is 7, and because 13 is a negative integer, so 13 minus 3 is 10, because the bigger one is 13. So we will consider the sign of the bigger digit. So 13 minus 10 is 3, so 10 y here. Sorry, 13 minus 3 is 10, so we will write 10y. So this is the answer. Now the next is the horizontal method. For horizontal method, rearrange the like terms and then add the numerical coefficients, like write 2x plus 3y, take it in the bracket, plus 5x minus 13y, again take it in the bracket. Now in the next step, rearrange them, rearrange the like terms, 2x plus 5x, write them together, plus 3y minus 13y. Now add the numerical part. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7x plus 13, because minus is there, signs are different, so we have to subtract. 13 minus 3 is 10, so minus 10, so it will be equal to, we keep the minus terms in bracket, minus 10y. Open the bracket now, 7x minus 10y is the answer. So you can see, students, compare these two answers, both the answers are same. Either we do it by column method or by horizontal method. Let us understand how to add trinomials now. This I have taken. Let us add this column method first. Write the first one, minus 2a plus b minus 5. Write the another terms below the like terms. 3a will come here, 2b will come here, plus 2b along with their sign, plus 3 right here, 3a minus 5b. Now 3a will go to the a column, this minus 5b along with the sign, so minus 5, but the constant part is not there, so we will take nothing, or you can write 0 here in that place. Now add them. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, so 4a. Now here b is written, that means its coefficient is 1, so we can write 1 here. So now 2 plus 1 is 3, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So because 5 is bigger, so minus 2b, and here minus 5 plus 3 again, this is equals to minus 2, right? So this is the answer. Now let us understand this in the another method, that is horizontal method. Write them, firstly write them as it is, as they are given, 2a plus b minus 5, पहले वैसे ही लिखना है जैसे दिए हुए हैं, plus 3a and take it in brackets. Always remember to put the brackets. Right, put plus sign also there because we are adding. This is equals to, now rearrange the like terms 2a, 3a and 3a. Write them together along with their sign, 2a plus 3a plus 3a. Put them in brackets, plus sign. Now b plus 2b minus 5b. Again put them in bracket. Now the last term is minus 5, then plus 3, and nothing is there. You can put 0 or you can leave it like this only, right? This is equal to, now add the numerical part. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, so 4a. Now here also 2 plus 1 is 3b, 3 minus 5 is equals to minus 2b, and 3 minus 5 plus 3, because the signs are different, so here we have to subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2, and the sign of the bigger one is considered. So this is equals to minus 2, right? So this is your answer. You can again compare, both the answers are same. Worksheet 5, add. Now here you have to add the monomials, right? So write the numerical part. You can add the numerical, you have to first write it as it is, 3x plus 5x plus 2x. Now you can solve it like, you can take the numerical part together or do it directly. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is equals to 10x, right? Here also write it as it is first, 5a plus a minus 7a. So take minus 7 in bracket. The terms having the sign minus, they should also always be taken in bracket. Always remember to do that. Now add this, because no coefficient is there, so we will take 1 as its coefficient. जब भी नहीं दिया होगा कोई भी term का coefficient, so that means we consider it 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now 6 minus 7, because the signs are different, so we have to subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. We will consider the sign of the bigger number. So the answer is minus 1a, or you can say that, because we don't write this 1 as the coefficient, the answer will be minus a, right students? So solve the rest questions by yourself. Coming on to question number 2, that is find the sum using column method. Now you have to use column method here. You know, you have to arrange the like terms under the same term, like terms, rearrange the terms to again, or write the same terms under the same term, 2b and 4b, like this. Now add them. 7 plus 3 is 10, so 10a, plus is there, so plus, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6b. This is the answer. In this question also, arrange them like this, and then this is the C part, because we have here 3x square minus, this is not the C part, I will write it again. The C part for this is minus 4x minus 5y and 3x minus 8y. So 3x right here and minus 8y, like this. Now add them. You will get, first add this, minus 4 plus 3, signs are different, so we have to subtract and we will consider the sign of the greater one. So 4 minus 3 is 1, so minus 1x. Now both the signs are same, so we have to add, right? So the answer is 13 minus 13y, right? Instead of writing minus 1x, what do we write? Minus x minus 13y is the correct answer for this. Coming on to the next question, that is question number 3, add using horizontal method. Now here we have to add using horizontal method. So how you are going to add? 7x plus 3y and minus 4x minus 2y. What do you have to do? First write them as it is, as they are given, and then rearrange the like terms like this, 7x minus 4x, write it along with their signs, plus 3y minus 2y. Now 7x minus 4x is 3x and 3y minus 2y is y. So 3x plus y is the answer. Students, do the rest questions by yourself, and I hope the concept is clear to all of you, and your homework is to do worksheet 5, which is at page number 114. Thank you.